Find an approximation of the area of the region R under the graph of the function f on the interval -1 to 2. Use n equals 6 sub-intervals and choose the representative points to be the left endpoints. We have to use 6 of them for this function. We don't have to graph this function, but just to illustrate, so this is not needed. If you have a graphing calculator, you can graph 9 minus x squared. So negative x squared is like this, then plus 9 means just move up 9 units. So this is graph of 9 minus x squared, and we are trying to approximate the area under the curve -1 to 2. So -1 to 2 somewhere. So we are trying to approximate this area using 6 rectangles, okay, that are coming from 6 sub-intervals and left endpoints. The representatives should be left endpoints. So this graph is not needed. All we have to do is now -1 to 2 is the interval we are interested in. -1 to 2. The function is here. Now we want to chop this into 6 equal sub-intervals. So 6. So what is this length? And that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me determine this width. So that is delta x. That's the equal width of 6 sub-intervals. That is b minus -1, or this length. -1, 0 somewhere, 1, 2. So 2 minus -1, which is 3, over, we want to chop into 6 equal. So this is 3 over 6, 0.5, 1/2. Okay, so we have to go 1/2 units every single time. Then when we go 6 times, we get this 2. Let's see, -1, we add 0.5, then 0 here. This is -0.5, 0, add 0.5, add 0.5 again, so that's 1, 1.5, and 2. So this is how we have 6 sub-intervals, and we are asked to use the left endpoints. So to draw rectangles, we are using left endpoints. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We do not take the very right one. If we are asked to use right endpoints, then we would choose from the right, and the very left would not be selected. Okay, so from here we will get rectangles. So if you come back to this optional, so pretty much we are going up to the curve, draw rectangles. So we would draw 6 rectangles. So the area will be approximated by delta x, that's the equal width times height. Delta x times height of each rectangle. So the height is given by the function. So evaluate the function at -1 plus second height, second rectangle. Evaluate the function at -0.5 plus function at 0 plus 0.5 plus 1 plus 1.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we do not use the very right one. And delta x is given, we found here 0.5. Evaluate this function 9 minus x squared at -1. Okay, you can use your calculator. 9 minus 1 is squared. Okay, and using calculator, or just 1 squared is 1, 9 minus 1, 8. So this one is 8. F at -0.5, plug in 9 minus 0.5 quantity squared. 8.75. Plug in 0. 9 minus 0 is square. F at 0.5. 9 minus 0.5 is squared. It will be 8.75. At 1, 8. 1.5. 9 minus 1.5 is squared. 6.75. We add all these 6 numbers and multiply with 0.5. Add and multiply 0.5. It comes out to be 24.625. Okay, so that's this approximate area. We just, actual area is this. We approximated using 6 rectangles, by the way, and this is not needed. This part is final.